Okay, to draw like a Tesla kind of Y series kind of car, we're going to have to start with the wheels, and that's really difficult. So we'll go a little bit more around there. So yeah, let's draw a circle, and you can use a protractor. You can draw around a coin. You can draw around anything circular if you want, a jam jar lid, something like that. That would make it a lot easier, and make it a lot easier when you come to do the second one as well. So I'm going to draw a circle in the middle, and I'm going to go dot, 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 dot. And those are the bolts which hold the wheel on. And then I'm going to do these triangles that meet in between the bolts. And I'm going to shade the top parts like that. So it kind of looks like you're looking through to the disc brake underneath. And then get yourself a piece of scrap paper and measure the width of that tire. And then you want to go kind of 1, 2, and right, let's say it's about 2/3 like that. And then we need to draw another wheel, and it's the second one is just so much harder, and because the first one you just draw it, and the second one you have to try and make it the same size. And so that's not too bad. But if you're using a coin or something like that, of course, then you're going to be able to get it a bit more accurate. Now we can draw that there. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we draw our little triangly cheeses in there again. And just shade in the top part like that so we see the disc brake underneath. Now we need to draw the wheel arches. So they're going to come all the way around to there. And this is going to come down to about the halfway line. Then this one starts a little bit higher on that side and comes down again to about the halfway line. And then we want another one like that. And we can shade that in. And here we're going to want another curve all the way around like that. And shade that in. And then this wants to join up to there. And that's good because those little dots that we made are now getting kind of obliterated. And then this wants to come forward. It's a little bit like that and up. And then this one wants to come back a little bit like that. Now underneath we're going to have the kind of underbody skirt, which will be something like that as well. You can colour that in grey or something later. Get that, there we are. Now we also have kind of a line around that on the body work. And then we want to make a little mark there, that will help. And this is going to come up to about there and across to that point. Let's work out where the doors are going to go. So the front door is going to join up with this little curve, and that's going to come to about there. The back door is over the wheel arch, and it goes back a little bit and forward like that. And then this middle bit sort of comes out in a bit of a curve like that. Now we want that to come to this sort of line about here, and we're aiming for that point there. So let's come across like that, and when we get there, then we're going to go up, okay? And then the next part is really quite difficult. So the window wants to go to about there, and we're going to come up like that and down to there. And here we're going to have the mirror, the wing mirror. We're going to have a little bit of door pillar-y kind of thing there. We're going to have door pillar, a bit of an angle like that. And a bit of door pillar there too, I think. And we got that kind of, you know, the way they paint the glass black around the edge, don't they? We'll just make that a bit thicker coming up there. And we can have this kind of line going across there, line going across there. And this is going to come back to about there and around about up to there. This is not easy, is it? And then we're going to want this other line then sort of coming up here and across the top like that. And then we're going to want a little bit of the front windscreen that we can see like that. And then a little bit more of the bonnet there. Let's put the headlight in there. And the winker lights, little side lights like that. And then we're going to want to have lights at the back there too. And we're going to have a line coming around there and down and in, and another line up there. You might see the headrests like that, and then we can put some kind of little marks like that across, which will make it look like glass. Then all you need to do is colour it in, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back to draw lots more stuff real easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.